So to do that, after you open your Instagram app like this, tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile, tap on this menu at the top right side. Now tap on this settings and privacy. Scroll to down and tap on this where it says add account, this one. Now tap on this new account, create new account. Now it will use your existing account information. All it will ask you is username. So tap on this username and type in a new username. So I'll just type in a new username. After you finish typing your username like this, tap on this as you can see now, tap on this next button. So now it will ask you to create a password for the new account that you want to use. So I'll just type in a new password for it. After you type your password like this, so after you finish typing your password, tap on this next button. So as you can see now here it says complete sign up. So tap on it. So as you can see now, it will take you to this option. All you have to do now, tap on this skip button or tap on this as you can see now continue. For me, I'll tap on this skip button. So tap on this skip again. So tap on this continue. Tap on this allow button. So as you can see now, tap on this. As you can see here, it says add a picture. So tap on this to add a profile picture. You can go ahead and add it, but for me, I'll just skip this option. So as you can see now, here is now my username. So tap on this as you can see now, skip again. So as you can see now, it will gives you new people to just connect to them on Instagram. So for me, I'll just tap on this as you can see now, tap on this arrow. I will not connect with anyone. So as you can see now, here is now my new Instagram account that I just created. So if you want to see information about it, tap on this as you can see now. Is it now? So tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you tap on your profile, as you can see now, here is the new account that I just added on my Instagram account. That's it guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe.